Hey everyone, Shada here. So in this video I'm going to tell you another feature of Canva. Earlier I told you about magic layers. Now I'm going to tell you about magic video. So these are two features that you can get in a free account also. So this account that I'm using right now, it's free. It's free account and I'm using, sorry, it's premium account. It's premium, okay? So I have accessed it from my Gmail account. You can see sums marketing 123@gmail.com, and then I'll here you cannot see magic layers option like feature here in this, though magic when whatever features they used to add, it would be at first position. Suppose magic layer was the latest feature, so it would be like magic layers, that magic video, social media video, like this in this sequence. So right now you cannot see magic layers here because I think they are not at all allowing it in Gmail accounts. Maybe if you have an official account, then only you will be able to see it. I am not actually very sure. So this is also my personal account. Let's just see it right now if I have got it in this account. So this is create, okay. Here also I cannot see, okay. Now let's just do one thing, okay. What else we can do? Let's just now switch to, you can see this founder at the rate scaleupmarketingsolutions.com. This is my official account, okay. Here it should be right there, okay. Here you can see first is magic layers, then magic video, then social media. So magic layer is only in your official mail addresses and not in your Gmail account or say personal account, okay. So okay, so see this account is free. It's for it's an official account that consists of company's domain, and this account is free, but still you can see magic layer, magic videos here. Earlier I told you about magic layers, how does it work. Right now I'm going to tell you about magic video, okay. You can see this here. I'm just clicking there. So see what you need to do, just select 10 random images. So I'm selecting a folder, it's called post. So I used to put all photos and videos that I can post maybe on social medias. So I'm just taking random photos. See, if you are running say an account on Instagram or maybe a channel on YouTube where you used to keep on posting something, maybe traveling, random video, something. So this is a best feature for you, and you take, like, it's like you don't have much time to sit and edit videos. Although we can find very nice template, we can do editing from our end also in short or CapCut also, but still if you don't have time, if you want to do it in just a snap, so this is the best way to do it. It's like you need to you can see top side, it's written select media up to 20, maximum you can select 20 medias, okay. Let me just choose some images, okay. Let's just start from downside, okay. Here you can see this one. I'm just choosing random images, okay. Two, some videos also you can, if you want to choose images, that's okay. If you want to choose video, that's also okay. So I'm just choosing some random images, videos. Though I have much more better photos and videos in my say phone, but I need to select it and will be like say transferring it in this folder, okay. So right now okay, it's not 20 yet, okay. Now you can see media limit of 20 reached, okay. Now you can just say something, maybe glimpses of my journey between Gwalior, Mumbai and Karnataka, and sorry, Bengaluru, okay. So I'm just using this random prompt, okay. If you want to make this prompt much better, you can just get into ChatGPT and ask it to make your prompt better, okay. So you can see this arrow here, I'm just clicking there. Now you just see the magic, okay. It was like we have just used random 20 photos and videos, that's a collection of photos and video 20, and now you can just see the result, okay. You can see this right here. It is going to work very soon. Okay, I'm downloading it because I liked it. I can just post it somewhere in my random account or something, okay. And you know the best part is, if suppose if you are not at all liking this template, you are not at all liking it, okay. So I think it's good if I am not downloading it right now because it will take time, okay. So best part is you can see this Okay, suppose if you don't have like you didn't like this format or this template something, so what you can do, you can see these many, so all are free. I have this account is like free account, so you can just switch to this maybe. Okay, and just wait for a few seconds and then it's done, like from text to the kind of images that they'll pop and everything. So it's truly good. I've created a lot of videos actually from it, and I love it. Okay, so now suppose if you have not liked it too, you can just keep it like this. You can just switch to another template. You can see downside multiple templates are there. I'm using my phone because I can use my laptop too, because most of us use our phone to create any design or something from Canva. So that's why I'm just using my phone. I'm just trying to make you understand that it's possible to do these kind of work from phones too. Okay, I can do it from laptop also, but it's good if like a lot of people who are using phone, they can also understand how to do it. You can see this another. Okay, now suppose if you have liked this. Okay, now what you need to do, just go to editor. You can see this, go to editor, and you can edit images, you can edit text, you can just edit whatever things you like. You can just do it. Okay, and you can just see this. And if it's if you are trying to download it, it's not downloading, you can see this file arrow here. Click it so that it will get uploaded on your Canva account. Okay, I'm just click all. If there are any, all other are already uploaded here. Okay, so now you can see, you can edit this my journey text, then my 2024 ये वाला जो text है ये भी आप कर सकते हो. So whatever you want to edit, आप वो easily कर सकते हो. So yeah, I hope this is going to be very much helpful for many of you, and I would suggest you just try a few videos, making a few, just put random images, whatever. Suppose you are walking down the streets and you are just clicking, you have clicked a few photos, maybe cat, dog, whatever, some random person are crossing the road, or someone is walking in the street or something. If you love taking random clicks, and I just love it, I take very random clicks. Okay, so if you have a collection of such images, just make this video, and trust me, the result would be truly amazing. So yeah, I would like to add one more thing here. If you want Canva Business Premium, okay, so you can just drop your mail ID on the comment box. I'll share the access with you. You can enjoy it for maybe 1 month. Okay, and one more thing, if you do not have any official mail IDs that you can use to log into Canva, and from there you can use free features just like magic layers, you can just drop your mail ID. Sorry, you can just let me know. I can share one mail ID. I have multiple official mail IDs with my domain, so I can just share one mail ID with you, and you can just use it. Okay, so maybe I'll share maybe one mail ID with 5 to 10 people based on the number of comment that I'll get. So you can just let me know, I'll share it with you. And yeah, you can just use it, because for my domain it will be like, I will keep on renewing it, so it won't get expired. So you can use it till the time you want to, and whenever I'll get, also I can add you in my team. So right now you can see it's in this account, it's just one person, that is me. So I have some space to add people. If you want to enjoy Canva Premium, Business Premium, just let me know, I'll do it. And also Canva Business Premium, you can get it for free also. What you need to do, just check on internet, say something like Canva Business Premium free, and then you can see a link of Canva. Don't get into any other, see, there are a lot of websites, there are a lot of people who claim that they'll give you Canva Premium free, but it's a kind of a scam. After some time, your account will get banned. Okay, or maybe the person who has created it, who has added 50 people or maybe 500 people, so their account will be banned, so you won't be able to access that feature. So it's good if you take it from Canva website itself, because Canva used to say provide free features for Canva Business, Canva Pro Lite, Canva Pro Lite, everything. Okay, what you need to do, if you have already used your feature from one account for free, what you need to do, just switch the account or change the mail ID, then you will be able to access it. Also, from one mail ID, you can use just one card, and that card you won't be able to use for any other mail IDs. So every time you are going to change your mail ID to get the Canva Premium Business for free, or say Canva Pro Lite or Pro, whatever you like, So you need to change your card also. Okay, I hope I am clear about it. If you have any doubt, just let me know in the comment box. I'll try to make it clear. So yeah, just wanted to talk about this. If you like this videos, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to cover with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye, and don't miss to subscribe the channel. Keep on hyping for my videos, and bye bye, take care.